Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, remove the 2 screws securing the system's side cover to lift the cover off the system. Identify the power supply unit and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the power supply unit, place it back in the system and install the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables and secure the system's side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.